on the Annie's Project website. Both of those reference books are there, has the author and all that information. So our next speaker is Nick Polanin, and Nick is the chair of our Agriculture and Natural Resources Department, and he's also the agriculture agent for Somerset County. And Nick is going to talk about later in life farming. Nick's been a member of the Annie's Project team since the program was first offered in New Jersey. So welcome, Nick.
Thank you, Madeline. Evening, everybody. And hello to Mays Landing and Roseland. So my entire talk is online, so I'm just about done. Oh, sorry about that. Okay. So do I need to repeat the joke? Probably not. But what I want to do in 4.5 minutes to keep us on track is to just quickly review a project that we did, colleagues of mine within the department, in later life farming, which almost sounds like you're getting into farming later in life, but it's actually the exact opposite, where you're looking to transition your business, your agribusiness, to the next generation, and how that can be very challenging and sometimes self-defeating depending on how you approach the process. And so what we have, and it's literally laterlifefarming.rutgers.edu. These resources are straight from the conference, along with videos as well as documents, and asking the question, do farmers actually really retire? And how do they retire? And from what? And does the family actually plan for the succession? Or is the farmer in charge until the farmer gets injured or passes away, and then what's the future of the farm? And how does that acreage, how does that agribusiness continue through that challenging episode for the family? Who takes the lead when the roles change? When the farmer decides to scale back as opposed to retire? And what roles is that person giving up, and who is taking that lead? And so there's a video, there's several videos online, and you can see on the left-hand side of the screen and on the website all the different direct links on the site to different modules that we have. We had guest speakers from out of state as well as within the state, and there's links within each module. On this instance, for how long will you live, or retirement in the 21st century, issues and challenges for farm families. It's an online resource that is available 24/7, 365 days a year, or this year 366. Are you ready to retire? Do you know about retirement and your options for farmers? What else is out there if you're not farming? Are you going into some other vocation or avocation? And so all these modules are online. I know I'm going rather quickly, but I had 10 minutes on the program. One of the big things here is who gets Grandpa's farm. There's a affiliated module that who gets Grandma's pie plate, and it's all about wills and estates and trusts and successional plans and generational plans. One of the big things when we get into if not now, when? If not us, who? Who's going to lead this discussion? Is it something that you as a farm family are going to get involved in from the get-go? Or is it going to happen afterwards because the state has to step in, or some other entity? One of the things we got into was, how do you do those communication, how do you start those difficult conversations? And do you get in there with like the bull in the china shop type of approach? Or are you more inclusive of everyone's discussion and decisions and desires for how that farm is going to continue? So this is really and now for something completely different type of presentation in tonight's program. But these videos are online. Purdue University, we joined with them in order to show some of their videos when direct discussions don't work, when conversation, when your timing, your body language, your